What up, guys? This is your friendly neighborhood gecko here, and today I am gonna watch a SpongeBob roasting video. It's like the greatest, best SpongeBob roasting. But anyway, guys, if you guys enjoy that video, make sure you guys leave a like right here, and comment down below right here. See right here, right here, right here. You better comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe right here. Let's enjoy. Oh wait, hold on. First, make sure you guys hit that notification button as well, and make sure you guys leave a like. And I think I just said that. But anyway, guys, let's begin.
We're done.
Yeah. So, what do you think?
I wish I lived there.
Really?
No.
None of you redheads
Good
will
dad.
last a minute on my turf.
Do we have to wear pickle jars? Well, who cares about a stupid star?
Gee, Patrick, it seems like you would care a lot about stupid stars, considering you are one.
Oh, roasted.
Just get out of here, you stupid, dumb animal.
That is nice. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I mean, alright.
Oh, that was a foul.
Tell it to your mama, Squidward.
Dang.
Great, Squidward, you finished. What's your wish?
My wish is that the people of Bikini Bottom will stop paying any attention to the inane dribble that is constantly streaming out of this dunderhead's mouth.
Gee, Squidward, maybe Santa will bring me a dictionary so I can understand what you just said.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect upon the street under the sun.
Let me guess, Tiny, a small salad?
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style, extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze, light axle grease, make it cry, burn
Holy
it
crap.
and swim.
We serve food here, sir.
Take that pile of filth out.
You shouldn't talk about Squidward like that.
I've heard better.
That's one way how you don't wanna that is one way how you don't wanna how you get away with like garbage, taking out trash and stuff. That is one way. That's one way. Pretty cool. That's a good roast right there. That was a good roast.
Squidward.
Likes Patrick more than SpongeBob.
Patrick is a dirty, stinky, rotten friend stealer.
Are you mad? Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
Dang. Alright, we're gonna go to the second one. We're gonna go to the part 2. The greatest SpongeBob roast part 2. So we're gonna let this.
Hello? I love you.
Could I have something to eat?
No,
Could I have something to eat?
no.
Could I have something to eat?
He said no, Squidward.
Can't you say anything else but no?
Try asking again.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
These are some good
How about this
roasting
one?
right here.
I call it bold and brand. More like belongs in the trash. Patrick. No. Why must every minute of
man.
my life be filled with misery? Why?
Oh, cheer up, Squid.
Next, guys.
Could be worse.
Next, guys. Comments down below. What reaction should I do next? Like, should I do another Vine reaction, or should I do another, like, should I do like a song reaction? Comments down below. Which reaction should I do? The Vine or the song? I'll find some songs to react. Let's continue.
Bald and have a big nose.
Unless you've been doing a lot of laughing.
I have been laughing a lot lately.
SpongeBob, you've got to be careful. You're going to burn out your laugh box.
My laugh box?
Yes, it's the part of your body that enables laughter. If you use sit too long
My eye was
without
just
giving it a
crossing.
break,
I was like,
it burns out, and you can never laugh again.
Is that what happened to you, Squidward?
Come on, kid, you asked me that already. Now quit wasting my time.
Hey, you can't talk to my son that way. Who do you think you are?
I'm Plankton, you old hag, and your son smells like booger. Hey, you can't talk to my wife that way. What do you think this is? I think it's time for you to lose some weight,
More?
fatty. That's what it is.
oh, I think I remember this episode. I remember this episode.
Hey, you
I
can't
just
talk
realized
to my
that.
grandson like that. Someone ought to put you in a mental hospital.
Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma.
Dang.
Go. Run away like all the others. No one would want a friend as ugly as I am.
Sure they would. It makes them feel better about the way they look.
Boom. Roasted.
Give me the secret formula or I'll destroy the Krusty Krab. You and what army, Bug? What army? What army? Look around you, crabs. You planted grass?
That was nice. I'm gonna find another one. I'm gonna find this one. Let's go to this one.
I'm the open window maniac.
It's just a prank, bro.
Krusty Krab.
That's the wrong number.
Never mind. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's go back for that. Let's go. Let's do this one more time.
I'm the open window maniac.
It's just a prank, bro.
Just a Krusty Krab.
Psych! That's the wrong number.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doomed night.
Do-si-do, and you're dead again. This game stinks.
Y'all can ride in the cargo hold if you just...
I keep doing that.
I don't pay you to smoke weed.
The engine of this vessel is fueled by song. The more you sing of your desires, the closer to Atlantis you will get.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
Well, maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Oh, you're gonna get yours, Tattletale.
Now put your hands in the air. It's the one and only D.R.E. Trailer Bus. You know I'm
Ready? I got it.
I don't want to have to use this.
Every day, bro, with the Disney.
What do you want?
SpongeBob, I just want to say that I'm sorry.
What?
I'm trying to say
What?
I'm just trying to say
I'm just playing, guys.
I'm Jake Paul from Bizarre Bar, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Who's there?
Patrick.
Go away! I never want to see you
Is
again.
it Sonic?
We'll get him next time.
Tomorrow is Bring Your Pet to Work Day.
Because
That'll be a
sometimes,
special day for that.
sometimes, okay, you know the like the noob Sonic. Is it Sonic or Stonic or Spoonic? Comments down below, guys. That noob Sonic character with that wonky, that cringe Sonic song, theme song, the game song. But yeah, comments down below, guys.
Squidward's here every day.
Bruh.
Gary, now I know I was wrong. I messed up, and now you're gone. More than a pet, you're my best friend.
Are they showing like
There must be
SpongeBob
some treasure
kills?
here, Mr. Krabs.
Bruh. They had to put the Overwatch theme that little you know the Overwatch when they show your like the kill cam. Yeah, they wow.
Time to open.
Time to get wrecked. Why did you do that? Wow! I didn't know you had a sister.
He knew the world would not be the same. Few people laughed. Few people cried.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're with the pet hospital down the street, and I understand you have a dying animal on the premises.
My nigga, you just got roasted.
9,997, 9,998, 9,999, 10,000. Where's the X? Supposed to be right here. 10,000 paces east.
Oh, east? I thought you said west.
West? What kind of compass are you reading, lad?
This one, sir.
That's west, Patrick. You're a fucking idiot.
Here you go. It's alphabet soup. I made it special. Great, Squidward. You finished. What's your wish?
My wish is that the people of Bikini Bottom will stop paying any attention to the inane dribble that is constantly streaming out of this dunderhead's mouth.
Gee, Squidward, maybe Santa will bring me a dictionary so I can understand what you just said.
I am the one, the what your son don't need the guns to get respect from the street under the sun.
Are you mad? Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
Well, guys, that was it. Cancel. That was it, guys. If you guys enjoyed that video, you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.